Hakadosh Baruch Hu, we're just continuing with the halachot now. It says as follows in Shulchan Aruch. He says, Lo yachtof bechet velo yarich be'alef. So we already mentioned this, that you're not supposed to cut off the chet, but you're not allowed to take too long in the aleph. So we already explained why you're not supposed to take too long in the aleph of echad, of Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad, because if not, it looks like you're saying that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is not one, or where is his oneness? And therefore you have to cut off the aleph. Now Siftet comes and he says, Asur luman shte pe'amim. Right? He says you're not allowed to say the Shema twice. Ben shekofel tevot sheomer Shema Shema, or ben shekofel pasuk rishon. Doesn't matter whether you're going to say the entire first pasuk or you're saying the word Shema, which means that if a person is going to come and they're going to say Shema Shema, listen, listen, or accept. You remember we said it was listening, accepting, understanding. So therefore, what happens is it sounds chas v'shalom like there's two gods, because who are you talking to? You're saying two different times. So therefore, you're only allowed to say it once. Now, what happens if you do not have Kavana? So the Mishnah Berurah comes and he says, if you do not have the Kavana, the pasuk of Shema Yisrael, what you're supposed to do is you have to say it in a low voice. Now he says, why exactly? Because if you're going to say it out loud, again, it could be a problem of what? That there's going to be two gods. He does say that if you're going to be by yourself, you could do it out loud. The Rav Ben Zion wanted to say that that's not Shitat Maran. Meaning Shitat Maran is that once you didn't have Kavana, that's it. You lost out. You can't go back right now and say again Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad, because if not, then it appears that there's two gods. So therefore, you would have to finish reading the entire Kriyat Shema, and later on you would just do it. You wouldn't be able to do it right now. However, though the Kaf HaChaim and also Rav Yosef, what they're learning in Shitat Maran is that Maran was only referring to a case where you had Kavanah, which means that if you have Kavanah, you're not allowed to repeat it. However, though, if you do not have Kavanah in Shema, so then even according to Maran, you would be able to go back and repeat Shema Yisrael Hashem Elokeinu Hashem Echad. However, though, you would have to do it in a very low voice, because again, we don't want other people to start seeing that you're accepting upon yourself again, right, this concept of Kabbalat Malchut Shamayim. Now, by Baruch Shem Kavon Malchut Olam Va'ed, there's much less problems of that. Because if you remember, we mentioned that the Ikar Kabbalat Malchut Shamayim is only by Shema Yisrael. Baruch Shem Kavon Malchut Olam Va'ed is also, but it's not as strong. So therefore, if a person did not have Kavanah, and Baruch Shem Kavon Malchut Olam Va'ed, according to the Sfaradim, you would have to repeat it. And again, the Biur Halacha we did bring down once. He has a doubt in this, you have to repeat or not. But according to us, you would need to repeat again Baruch Shem Kavon Malchuto Leolam Va'ed.